Hey guys, welcome back to the AI-powered YouTube channel. Today I would like to introduce you to this website here. It's called Luca. It uses artificial intelligence to create logos and branding for your company, and you can literally do this in minutes. It's really an impressive site. So I'm going to run through the tutorial right away. So I'm drinking a coffee right now, so I'm going to think of a coffee company. I'm going to think AI-powered coffee, put in the company name. Get going. Don't even have to sign in. You get right into it. Okay, pick your industry. Coffee. Let's say I'm a coffee roaster. I love coffee that much. Okay, go right to it. Then you kind of pick out the theme. You can make tons of adjustments to it afterwards, but kind of give out what the feel you want for your company. I'm kind of partial to blue and Caribbean colors. So let's go with Pete's Coffee here. Continue. Again, like the Caribbean feel. So I'm going to go with teal. Click forward, it's your company name, and then I like simple slogans. We brew beans. Now we brew coffee. Nice and simple, okay. And then you kind of pick up some symbols for the logo. Let's say, what do we want here? Cup, creativity, tranquil, excellence, maybe strength and innovation. Continue, and then here you are, just several. Ooh, I kind of like that one there. And then you just go through, and if the first, say, 15 aren't what you like, you just click it again, and it comes up with more. So you can just keep scrolling down. But there's one here that caught my eye that I'm going to go with. AI powered coffee. We brew coffee. And here you go. And then you can start optimizing or changing the colors, changing the background. You can change any of the text in here that you want. You can change, there's more suggestions down here. Really impressive stuff. If you don't like the layout, you can change the layout. Don't like the color scheme, you can change the colors. Really, it's pretty limitless. And honestly, you could have a brand new logo, full branding for a company, literally in minutes. So I did one earlier for AI powered tools, and here is the branding kit they gave me. So you can see a couple of bags here, AI powered tools. You have t-shirts, business cards, websites, and you just scroll down. So if a website, here's what a website would look like with AI powered tools as your website background. Here's a print shop where you can get mugs, bottles, coffee cups, stickers, it's bags. It's really incredible. It's a really impressive website. So all of this, if you just want a one-off, just stop there, get everything you need. It looks like it's about $65. If you want to use this on an ongoing basis, it looks like it's about $100 to $200 for the full year. Really impressive. Well done, guys. Okay, thanks everybody for checking out my YouTube channel, AI Powered Tools. Take care, guys.